Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Flodesk account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a product image and price into your Flodesk email? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a product image with its price in your Flodesk email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that emailing offers to your customers can help increase lifetime values. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Flodesk dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Flodesk, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a product image with its price into an email, first choose the email you want to add it into. So for example, this one. All right, once you do that, it's going to bring you to the email editor, and you're just going to scroll down until you get to the section that you want the product image and price to show up. So maybe towards the bottom of the email. And once you do that, you're going to click on the plus icon near the section that you want to add the product image to. So for example, down here. All right, once you click there, these options are going to pop open, and you want to click on this button here, e-commerce. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up this e-commerce box right here. And once you click on that section, you can look over here to the right, and then you can go ahead and choose a template that kind of fits with your brand. So for me personally, I kind of like this one because I can put 6 images in there. If you don't have 6 products you're going to be adding, don't worry, you can go ahead and edit that. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. And what we're going to do next is over here on the right, we're going to click on block. And then by default, it's going to be at 6 product images. Let's go ahead and just do 1. So we're going to drag this all the way down to 1. Okay, so now we just have 1 space for 1 product and the price. And we're going to click in here into the image box. And off to the right here, we can go ahead and upload an image from our computer. Okay, I grabbed an image and it's uploading. Okay, so there it is. And then you can go ahead and change the shape. So maybe we want a circle, or maybe this kind of like price tag looking thing, or this castle window. Okay, and then over here on the left, if you want to add the price, you're going to just look right here. By default, it says 22. Let's say that we're going to go ahead and sell these tacos for $100. And I personally like it to be centered, so I'm going to go ahead and center that. And then we're going to go ahead and change the title to the best tacos ever. And then we're going to click back here, and off to the right, I'm going to go ahead and align that. Okay, so you can actually go ahead and change the font of this if you want. So we have Corda. Let's go ahead and do Kaluna. You can change the font color. So maybe we're going to go ahead and make these red. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me personally. So with Flodesk, it automatically saves it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a product image with its price into a Flodesk email, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.